Hey, do you like smash burgers? And do you like tacos? If you said yes to both, you are in for a very special treat. Because today on the Hungry Hussey Cooking Show, we are going to do smashburger tacos on the Blackstone Griddle. Let's get going. All right, so let's get started with these smashburger tacos. We're going to take a 1/4 cup measuring tool, and basically this is my guide, the way I like to make the balls for smash burgers, and it comes out to about 3-ounce ball. Patty paper, and because I also like to smash them with the patty paper, and using a 1/4 cup measuring tool, it makes short work. You don't have to measure, and it's relatively accurate. Now we're just gonna kind of form them, not to a real tight ball, but just so they're kind of uniform. So when you smash them, it does go very uniform. Let's get your Blackstone on, let's get it pre-warmed, okay? So this smashburger taco, I feel like it needs a sauce, and we're gonna make one right now. All right, to make this dressing, I'm gonna use about 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, about 2 tablespoons of ketchup, and then I'm gonna use some sweet relish. And basically this is like a Thousand Island dressing, really. I'm using these Grillo pickle chips, and I'm gonna use a little bit of that brine to go in there too, to thin this out. And just give this a good stir, and man, look at this. Give it a try. That's gonna go good. I like it. So let's talk about toppings. We made our sauce, beautiful sauce. Now we're just gonna go classic. I'm gonna do some lettuce, tomato, and some chopped onions. Grillo brand dill pickles. I really, really love these pickles. Hey, I appreciate you watching thus far. If you'd like the video so far, hit that thumbs up button and hit that subscribe. I sure would appreciate it. And if you want to, comment. I'd love to interact with you. All right, it's about time to get started. I do want to go over a few things. You want your Blackstone, you want to get up to temperature. We're running at about 500 degrees here, so that's perfect. It's going to get a nice sear. You also want to make sure all your ingredients, whatever you're putting on this, you want to make sure it is ready to go, especially like your cheese, because smash burgers go so fast. I got a smasher, a dedicated smasher that I like to use. You can use whatever you like, but this is what I like to use. Start placing our balls down. We're gonna season these dudes up with some Hussey's Heifer dust. It's now available. It's my own special concoction. I'm very proud to introduce this to everybody. There'll be a link below. You can order this straight from my website. I pack it, I ship it to you. It's gonna come in here with some Heifer dust. Just like that. You wanna take your tortilla. You put your tortilla on there and smash it. So you come in. There we go. Man, this is gonna be good. Now at this point, we're just gonna cut the griddle off. We really don't need it anymore. There we go. There's our burger. Look at that. Beautiful. Your smash burgers, they're gonna stick just a little bit, but that is okay. Bring the backside, bring it under there just like that. Easy peasy. We're gonna take our cheese, American cheese. We'll come here. And that's the beauty about this. It goes so fast. All right, so we're just gonna leave it on this side just to melt this cheese a little bit. It's already getting tacky. It's good to go. Our burners are off, so it's not really cooking anymore. Wow, look at these dang tacos, y'all. This looks amazing. Now, we're just gonna top these things. So we'll come in here with, this is our sauce. I like plenty of sauce, just like that. Now we're gonna come in here with our lettuce. Ooh, yeah. Beautiful lettuce. A little chopped red onion. A couple of tomatoes. And we'll come here with some of these pickles. Man, these pickles are good. My goodness, will you look at this. Well, hey, let's give these things a try, y'all. Man, I haven't had a lunch. I'm about to tear these things up. Cheers, y'all. Y'all, this hits. The tortilla has fried in that beef fat, making it nice and crispy. Lord have mercy, that's some good groceries right there. Good night in the morning. I'm about to get a cherry wine on that, y'all. Cheers. The burger just crisps around like a smash burger. Cheese, just nice and melty, American cheese. Man. Y'all, hey, I appreciate you watching. Hey, check out this video right here. I guarantee you'll like it also.